Hey, what's happening, my friends? Nick Rehmani here, and I hope you are having an amazing day. Folks, life, much like this endless horizon, is a tapestry of moments, unpredictable and ever-changing. See, life does not promise a smooth journey. The challenges, they're inevitable. And when we fixate on the shadows, letting the negativity creep in, it doesn't just cloud our judgment, it can suffocate our spirits and our dreams. A choice to pivot, to seek out the vibrant colors amidst the gray. See, it's not about sidestepping the problems, but choosing where we place our beloved energy. Because every thought we entertain is a step in some kind of direction. Why not make it towards hope, towards light, right? See, with every challenge, remember, it's not the obstacle, but our perspective that really, truly shapes our journey. Life's challenges will come and go, but our spirit, our pizzazz, that's ours to command. Choose wisely. So, my friends, let's embrace life's colorful tapestry together. Dive deep into a community that totally understands the essence of choosing light over shadows. For more wisdom, tools, and a family that supports your journey towards hope and positivity, visit freedomlifebusiness.com, and together, let's harness our spirit, pivot our perspectives, and craft our unique path to an empowered life. Don't just exist, thrive with us. Join the movement today. Until next time, my friends, always make it a great day, and always go for your dreams. God bless, and bye for now.